Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum, dear student. Today we will solve new syllabus Mathematics D2, chapter number 2, Expansion and Factorization of Quadratic Expressions. Today we will solve chapter number 2, exercise 2A, intermediate level, question number 6 to 8. First of all, in question number 6, we have given that expand and simplify each of the following expressions. Here, following expressions are given. We can expand and simplify each of the following. First of all, in A part, here given that 7 into 2a plus 1 minus 4 into 8a plus 3. 7 into 2a. First of all, 7 multiplied by 2a plus 1. So, 7 2s are 14, 14a plus 7 minus 8 4s are 32. Now minus 32a plus minus 4 3s are 12. 12. So 14a plus 7 minus 32 minus 12. Rearrange the values, then 14a minus 32a minus 12 plus 7 minus 32 plus 12 is equal to minus 18a. Minus 12 plus 7 is equal to minus 5. So the answer of first part of question number 6, minus 18a minus 5. In second part, 3 into 2b minus 1 minus 2 into 5b minus 3. 2 3s are 6, so 6b minus 3 and minus 5 2s are 10b minus plus 6. Here 6b minus 3, 5 2s are 10 minus 10b minus plus 6. Now rearrange the values. We have 6b minus 10b plus 6 minus 3. 6b minus 10b is equal to minus 4b plus 6 minus 3 plus 3. So the answer of B part is minus 4b plus 3. In C part, 3c into 5 plus c minus 2c into 3c minus 7. First of all, multiplying the first bracket, so 5 3s are 15c plus 3c square minus 2 3s are 6, 6c square minus plus 7 2s are 14c. Now rearrange the values, then we have 3c square minus 6c square plus 14c plus 15c. 3c square minus 6c square is equal to minus 3c square. 14c plus 15c is equal to plus 29c. So the answer of C part is minus 3c square plus 29c, or we can write that 29c minus 3c square. In part D, 2d into 3d minus 5 minus d into 2 minus d. First of all, 2 3s are 6, d multiplied by d square. 6d square minus 5 2s are 10, 10d. Here minus 2d minus plus d square. Now rearrange the values. We have 6d square plus d square minus 10d minus 2d. 6d square plus 1d square, 7d square, and minus 10d and minus 2d minus 12d. So the answer of D part is 7d square minus 12d. In E part, minus f into 9 minus 2f plus 4f into f minus 8. First of all, minus f multiplying minus 9, so minus 9f square minus minus plus 2f square plus 4 ones are 4, f multiplied by f, 4f square plus minus minus 4 eights are 32f. Now the answer after the multiplication, minus 9f plus 2f square plus 4f square minus 32f. Now rearrange the values, 2f square plus 4f square minus 32f minus 9f. 4f square plus 2f square is equal to 6f square. Minus 32 minus 9 is equal to minus 41. So the answer of 6f square minus 41f. In last part of question number 6, f part minus 2h into 3 plus 4h and minus 5h into h minus 1. First of all, multiplying 3 twos are 6 minus 6h plus minus minus 4 twos are 8h square minus 5h square minus minus plus 5h. Now rearrange the values. We have minus 8h square minus 5h square plus 5h minus 6h minus 8h square and minus 5h square is equal to minus 13h square minus 6h plus 5h is minus h. So the answer is minus 13h square minus h. In question number 7, expand each of the following expressions. Given that in A part, here A into A plus 1 into A minus 9, A multiplied by A minus 9 plus 1 multiplied by A minus 9. A multiplied by this is equal to A square minus 9A plus A minus 9. Now we adding the values, then we have A square minus 9 plus 1 is equal to minus 8A minus 9. Similarly, in B part, B minus 2 into B plus 7. B multiplied by B plus 7 minus 2 multiplied by B plus 7. B multiplied by B, B square plus 7B minus 2B minus 14. So B square 7B minus 2B plus 5B minus 14. Here in C part, minus 5, C minus 5 into C minus 6. C multiplied by C minus 6 minus 5 multiplied by C minus 6. C multiplied by C, C square minus 6C minus 5C minus minus plus 6 5s are 30. So C square minus 11C plus 30. In D part, 3D plus 1 into 5 minus 2D. Here 3D multiplied by 5 minus 2D plus 1 into 5 minus 2D. 5 threes are 15D minus 3 twos are 6d square minus plus 5 ones are 5 minus 2 ones are 2d. So the answer after the rearranging is minus 6d square minus 2d plus 13d plus 5 minus 6d square 15d minus 2d is equal to plus 13d plus 5. In E part 1 minus f into 7f plus 6. Now we have in E part 1 into 7f plus 6 minus f into 7f plus 6. 1 multiplied by 7, 7f plus 6 minus 7f square minus 6f. After rearranging the term minus 7f square plus 7f minus 6f plus 6 is equal to minus 7f square plus f plus 6. In last part of question number 7, 4 minus 3h into 10 minus 9h. 4 is multiplied 4 into 10 minus 9h minus 3h into 10 minus 9h. 4 tens are 40 minus 9 fours are 36h minus 10 threes are 30h minus minus plus 9 threes are 27h square. Now rearrange the values, then 27h square minus 36h minus 30h plus 40 is equal to minus 20 is equal to 27h square minus 36 minus 30 is equal to minus 66h plus 40. So the final answer of H part is 27h square minus 66h plus 40. Now we will move from question number 8. In question number 8, expand and simplify each of the following expressions. Given that A part into 5 plus into x plus 1 into x plus 3 is equal to 5, x is multiplied by x plus 3 and plus 1 is multiplied by x plus 3. So we can write that 5 plus x into x plus 3 plus 1 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 plus x square plus 3x plus x plus 3. Now we rearrange the values, then x square plus 3x plus x plus 3 plus 5 is equal to x square 3 plus 1 4. Now 4x plus 5 plus 3 is 8. So the final answer of A part x square plus 4x plus 8. Now in B part 3x plus into x plus 7 into 2x minus 1. Now we write that is equal to 3x plus x into 2x minus 1 plus 7 into 2x minus 1. We have is equal to 3x into x multiplied by 2x is 2x square minus x plus 14x minus 7. Now rearrange this value. We have 2x square minus x plus 3x plus 14x minus 7. Then 2x square 14x plus 3x 17x 17x minus 1 is 16x. So 2x square plus 16x minus 7. So the answer of B part is 2x square plus 16x minus 7. In C part, given that 3x plus 2 into x minus 9 plus 2 into 4x plus 1. First of all, opening the bracket by simplifying method, 3 into x minus 9 plus 2 into x minus 9 plus 2x into 4 plus 1. We can write this form: 3 into x minus 9 plus 2 into x minus 9 plus 2x into x 4x plus 1. Now multiplying the values, we have 3x square minus 9 3s are 27x plus 2x minus 9 twos are 18 plus 4 twos are 8x square plus 2 ones are 2. Now we have rearranged the values: 3x square plus 8x square minus 27x plus 2x plus 2x minus 18. 3x square plus 8x square is equal to 11x square. 2x plus 2x, 4x, 4x minus 27x is equal to minus 23x minus 18. So the final answer of C part, 11x square minus 23x minus 18. In D part, x minus 3 into x minus 8 plus x minus 4 into 2x plus 9. Then first of all, multiplying the value, we can write that x into x minus 8 minus 3 into x minus 8 plus x into 2x plus 9 minus 4 into 2x plus 9. Now multiplying x multiplied by x, x square minus 8x minus 3 multiplied by 1, 3x minus minus plus 8 3s are 24 plus 2 1s are 2, x multiplied by x, x square. Now 2x square plus 9x minus 4 2s are 8x minus 9 4s are 36. Now rearrange the value. We have x square plus 2x square minus 8x minus 3x plus 9x minus 8x minus 36 plus 24. 1x square plus 2x square is equal to 3x square. Here minus 8x minus 8x minus 8 and minus 8 minus 16 and minus 3 minus 19. Minus 19x plus 9x is equal to minus 10x. 26 plus 24 is equal to minus 12. So the final answer of D part, 3x square minus 10x minus 12.